Let's update our company's information. So go up here into the top menu bar and you're going to click on Company. And then you're going to click on My Company. And it's going to bring up all the information for your company, all the details about it. If you take a look, there is a little pencil here in this right-hand corner. It says Edit when you hover over it, and if you click on it, it's going to let you change all of this company information. We are going to call it Crazy Cows Ranch. We live in Cary, Idaho, US, phone number, fax number, email, website. All of these, if you put them in, will show up on the checks if you choose to print them from QuickBooks. And so if you want to print checks from QuickBooks to pay off all of your outstanding debts or whatever you need to pay, it will do that, which is a really neat thing if you want to be able to have a very professional, clean looking way to pay out things. Now we go and we're going to toggle through these little pages on the left-hand side. Now we're into our legal information. So our legal name is still going to be Crazy Cows Ranch. And then we have our legal address. City, state. We are Idaho. Right, and then the US. Now we're going to go to our company identification. A little bit about putting in sensitive information. And so we have our email, and then it asks for our federal employer number or our social security number. If you put either of these in, it's going to trigger the sensitive data protection within QuickBooks. And so if you put in a bank account or if you put in any of these sensitive information, it's going to require that you put in a password whenever you log into your QuickBooks, and so that your information is protected. And so it's not anything more than another step when you open your company file. And if you're going to do payroll out of it, it'll be necessary. And so that's something that you'll have to just weigh out with yourself. For now, I'm not going to put anything, of course. And then we're going to go into report information, and we're going to put our fiscal year, which is usually from the calendar year, January to January. And then we get to decide what we are. Are we a partnership? Are we a corporation, an S Corp? I'm just a sole proprietor, so I'm just going to put that. And then we have our payroll tax information. Again, that's up to you. If you're going to use QuickBooks to do payroll, make sure you put that in. If you have people to pay, if you have employees under you that get a regular paycheck, QuickBooks is going to be a great option for you because the payroll option is great to be able to make sure that you're doing payroll and taxes correctly, and it updates every year with the new payroll and tax information. And so that is something that if you do have employees that you have to pay, really look into that option of QuickBooks. Now that we have all that information done, we can push OK. And now it shows that my ranch is the Crazy Cow Ranch, and we are ready to start putting in our assets and liability accounts.